Hello family, welcome once again to our channel. Today I am happy to present this beautiful 4-bedroom house with 1-bed staff quarters and a pool at Oyarifa. Now let's go around the building and check it out. My favorite thing about this whole house is how spacious the rooms are. Very well appointed rooms. In a very serene, developed neighborhood. Now at the back of the house, this beautiful home is going for 265,000 USD. $265,000. This is the living area. The first bedroom downstairs, closet space has been provided. All the rooms have their full bathroom. Oyarifa is off the Adenta Ebri Road. So between Adenta and Ayimensa, this is the kitchen. Still work in progress. And a pantry. That's the laundry to my left. I forgot to mention when we showed the area. It's within an 18-kilometer radius to the Kotoka International Airport. This is the family area upstairs and a study. Bedroom upstairs. So this is the second bedroom we've seen so far. The third bedroom upstairs. Feel free to reach us on 0244 588 885 or 055 049 6399, and we'll be happy to assist with any purchase enquiries. And finally to the primary bedroom. This is the closet space. This is an additional storage space, or your home library where you stay in your bed and then want to finish up some work or read. You can hide yourself and do so in your own bedroom. And this is the washroom. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to hear from you soon. It's really a lovely space. And I hope you enjoyed the video.